Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to teach you on how to make one of my favorite drink during this kind of weather, a very bad weather, and this is a Singaporean tea. Yes, you heard it right, Singaporean tea, or which is popularly known as Teh Tarik, which originates in Malaysia. I've tasted this drink in Nanyang, which is partly owned by Bread Talk, if I am not mistaken. And when I tasted it, I actually asked the manager or the barista on the ingredients that is included on it. So I've decided to try it at home, and I've actually succeeded. So I'm sharing this also to you guys. Yeah. So Teh Tarik originates in Malaysia, and this means, or Teh Tarik actually means, if I'm not mistaken, please correct me, my Malaysian friends. And if I am not mistaken, this actually means pulled tea. From how it's being processed, it's actually made out of a strong brewed black tea and a condensed milk. And by the end of, or before the video ends, I will also be giving you acupressure points for the sinuses and for the colds, especially this kind of weather. And I hope you're gonna like it and hope you're gonna do it. Also, you're gonna give it a try. So for now, relax, sit back, enjoy. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that you're gonna learn something from it and you're gonna try it at home. This will be your own version of the Teh Tarik or the Singaporean tea. Now I will be giving you 3 acupressure points that would help you with your colds or sinuses. So the first point that I'm going to give you will be the bladder 2, which is located by the end of your elbow near your nose bridge. So here, the other one is located here. Okay, so this is the bladder 2. You just have to press those points to 3 minutes at least. And the other one would be yin tang, or what we call the third eye. It's third eye, of course. It's located here at the center of your eyebrows. So here. Just press it also within 2 to 3 minutes. And the last acupressure point that I'm going to show you will be the large intestine 2 or large intestine 20, which is located here, located on the widest part of your nose. There. So just press it 2 to 3 minutes also. That will not really cure your colds, but it will help you ease the pain that the cold or the sinuses is causing you. I promise you guys that it's gonna be a relief on your sinuses. So just try it. There's no harm in trying. I'm just giving you acupressure points for the colds, especially during this kind of weather. It's rainy season. Most of us, especially the kids or the youngsters that we have colds. So take extra care of your health. Always be a blessing. always share your smile to everyone and your heart to only one. Alright guys, so if you have any other if you wanted me to do something, if you have some challenges for me, just comment down below. And if you want me to make something the healthier version, just comment down below as well. I'm gonna do my best to do it for you. See you next video, guys. Goodbye.